In observation on the ongoing construction site and the rehabilitation of the first flyover market Eneka-Rukpokwu, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, residents, motorists and traders emphasize on various circumstances and challenges they face due to delay of the project. Report says it commenced earlier 2024, which is still yet to be completed by the laborers and engineers. Many sellers says it affects their businesses due to the unfinished job, while motorists raises alarm on how it affects their vehicles while using the uncompleted road. Residents are calling on the government to take immediate effect on the quick conclusion on the ongoing projects.
It's my pleasure having you once again on First Next News Port Harcourt. I am Kings Ojalo. We are here live on the ongoing construction rehabilitation job done by the Julius Berger at First Flyover, First Market, Eneka Road, Rukpokwu, Port Harcourt. We are in the vicinity just to hear from those who dwell in the area about the experience and the rehabilitation going on in this vicinity. Sit tight and let us hear from those who dwell in this vicinity concerning the ongoing construction.
First of all, we thank the state government for developing the Eneka for us. For the construction so far, it affects us. But when the thing drops, the motor are not passed, so we cannot sell. Then our customers are complaining that they cannot drag in and they cannot drag out. But in coming back now, there's a little improvement. See whether they will complete it. But they now level the ground, but they know go down. And here we stop now. It affects my tellers because my customers don't get access. They don't get multiple load to pass through my area like this come by market. Like two or three of my customers, they are complaining they cannot meet up because of the bad road, because there's the kind of everywhere now. They don't fit drive in.
For now, the thing never they give us job. But because like yesterday, when this place started, everywhere here, water they enter inside this shop, this walking around. So we beg government so that they can help us, so that we will see road fast. Even though if I buy market for money, now the other side they go stop me. No way to pass enter inside here because of the bad road.
Yes, I thank God. Before they stop work. Now the road they okay now. The man is our side now they pass. Then they try for work now. Yes, everything they alright now. They let them put a more effort so that made them help us work the road finish. Yes.
At first, when these people stop work, we pass through a lot of things. Okay? A lot of people suffer from the road because the one they have tried to put together gets spoiled. So we are praying and asking God, please let these people come back so that our road will come back the way it is before. And the day they came back, we are all very happy, and they are trying. I will also thank Mr. Governor, our governor. He's a very good man. You understand? For him to ask these people to come back in the first place.
Welcome to First Next News. Still your correspondent, Kings Ojalo. We are live here at one of the flyover at Rukpokwu Market, where the ongoing construction is still going on.